My name is Jemiah.
And my name is Sarah.
We're interns at the Beaufort-Hyde Partnership for Children. So we are celebrating Week of the Young Child, and today is Tasty Tuesday.
And today we are going to be making a tasty, healthy snack. We are going to be making apple nachos with a caramel drizzle and various toppings. And for those toppings, we want to keep in mind that kids have allergies, so we want to make sure we have alternatives.
So, the supplies include sliced apples, and with the apples, you can buy them whole in the store and slice them yourselves. Want to make sure that an adult is slicing the apples, or you can buy them pre-sliced. So we have the apples, mini chocolate chips, caramel, mini marshmallows, spoons so you can spread the toppings, bowls of course to hold them in, and the plates. And with the plates, we want to make sure that each child's name is on their plate so there is no cross-contamination.
So let's begin. So Jemiah is going to start with her nachos, and then I'll make mine.
So I'm a simple gal. I'm only going to get caramel, right? But you're going to get a spoonful, and then drizzle. It doesn't have to be pretty, just do what you want. I'm going to get a little bit more. All right, Sarah?
All right. And then I'm going to go for caramel. All right. And then I'm going to do some chocolate chips. Now that you've prepared your snack, we're going to enjoy this in the evening. This is an evening snack. And also, while enjoying this snack, you want to be interactive with the children. You want to be asking them what colors they're seeing, what flavors they're tasting, and what textures they're feeling. So thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure to check our channel for more Week of the Young Child activities, and we will see you next time.
Hope you guys have a good one.